The countries that have succeeded, either they have succeeded because they are a dictatorship, where once the leader says we are going here, you cannot say no, and you cannot question. That is one way of moving the country forward. For us, we don't have that luxury. For us, we are a democratic country. And for a democratic country, the only instrument you have is a political party. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Because a political party goes beyond a community. It goes beyond a region. It goes beyond a religion, either one or the other. A political party unites people into one common vision and one common program. And that is why we are sitting here, from different parts of Kenya, from different religions, from different communities, but we are united by the fact that we believe in Kenya in a certain way.